A really, really nice watch. I first got my opportunity to get hands-on with it in Montreal at the Montreal Timepiece Show. I met Jose and he let me play around with the design on location there. I had some fun with it. I'm Ross. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get a quick bird's eye view of the custom watch designed by Jose CERMENO Watches. Hands-on leather craftsmanship dial designs here. These watches are elevated, to say the least. Watchmaking art and leather craftsmanship at the same time in these beauties. Now, if you're new to the channel, my wrists are 7¼ inches. This isn't a full review, as I only had limited time with the pieces this past Montreal Timepiece Show weekend, but for the short time I did have them in hand and on wrist, they were a great experience. So now, Jose went to school in Switzerland there, and his creativity and skill set to work with the watch parts and as well as the leather materials is so cool. What a great story. I just hope the watch images and some of the content I provide does it justice here. But JoseCermeno.com, Montreal-based company. I got hands-on with the Losange Blue. Now this one here is the 40mm case design, 3/16 stainless steel. It's got a round case design, brushed and polished, and a fixed bezel with the black indices engraved right there into the bezel. A 20mm lug width in this case design, and we have 11.7mm thickness overall, which is really good. It'll be under the cuff, no problem for you. Overall water resistance is 50 meters for a casual dress design that's somewhat standard. And we have sapphire crystal with the AR coating on the top, exhibition case back in the rear with this stainless steel case back as well. Easy to handle grooved steel gear design crown, signed with the JC on its face, and with the dial, well, they just are gorgeous. Jose walked me through the steps of the leather materials and the stitching and the base plate for the dial itself and how he has to put them all together and do the hand sewing and stuff. So Jose mentions to me that he has hands-on with every dial because that's his craftsmanship in the build. Like, that is just awesome. They were available there at the show in the red, the black, and the blue. I had the blue for a short period of time. On the wrist, it felt really good. My favorite color is blue, so that's why I chose that one. They're signed with Jose CERMENO at Montreal on the top at the 12 o'clock position, and Cuzo Maine down below at the 6. Just the depth and the feel and the look of the dial is really special. It really looks nice. A really cool, unique type of design. Now, the movement is automatic, and it's got the Sellita SW300 inside. Jose CERMENO custom rotor. It's running 28,800 vibrations per hour with a 4 Hertz movement, 25 joules, and an overall power reserve of 42 hours. Now the strap for the design, the watch was a joy to wear. The strap was comfortable and suited the overall casual dressed aesthetic. Blue lambskin genuine leather with blue accent stitching, made in Italy. No wonder it was comfortable. It also has the 3/16L stainless steel folding closure polished with the patented blade system. And it looks great and performs as you would expect. It makes it for a comfortable wear. Now on my wrist, you can see the fit and size and pairing are great together. If you're new to the channel, my wrists are 7¼ inches. I think I mentioned that already. Now the overall cost here is coming in at $1,950 US. You can order them online at JoseCermeno.com. Overall, I loved it. I thought it was a wonderful design, reasonable price, and I was really lucky and fortunate to allow for the hands-on. I really appreciate that and taking the time to be with the watch in person and get a feel for it on the wrist. It just says a lot, and then I can share that information with you, which is great. You're getting more than a watch. It's art. It's on your wrist, and it just happens to tell accurate time at the same time. I think it's more of a casual dress design, a statement of style and craftsmanship that can be worn, or an expression for men, women, doesn't matter. The specs definitely show that this watch can be worn by a wide range of people. So if this is down your alley, then by all means, pull the trigger. I hope you enjoyed the visuals. Thanks for watching. I'm Ross. Do all the fancy things, and we'll see you on the next one.